Education transforms lives. Through basic education, children unlock their potential, explore possibilities, and build foundations for a brighter future. But across classrooms, many learners struggle with foundational skills like reading and numeracy. The learning gap grows wider. Too many are left behind. With compassion and commitment, Bicol University, through its College of Education, launched Project USWAG. USWAG is a local Bicol term which means progress. It's an extension service rooted in empathy, dedicated to making learning joyful and effective, leading to progress. Future educators from Bicol University prepare with care as they bring Project USWAG to the community. They undergo orientation, simulations, and build customized materials, ready to meet learners where they are. Personalized teaching bridges gaps, one learner at a time. Through hands-on tutorials, Bicol University teacher education students develop real-world skills and deeper understanding. In neighborhoods and barangays, Project USWAG reaches the underserved. It advocates progress for all children. True to its name, USWAG, to move forward, to advance. Remedial teaching today, on-time instruction tomorrow, advanced learning soon after. This is our vision for the future. With strong foundations, every learner can rise, can USWAG, to meet their full potential. At Bicol University, we educate the children of today, laying the foundations of tomorrow.
Katulong po ito sa akin.
With the Bicol University College of Education Project USWAG, learning begins and hope never ends.